Okay, fans on A. Okay, so we just start through the kitchen. So basically what we'll just get around the little smoke puffer test now and record it on video. Let's just see where the air's coming in. I think that's just convection. But it's coming in under this left hand door, as you probably know, just at the centre there. And under the steps as well.
Under the steps?
Under the steps, it's coming in under there. And under there, quite a lot coming in under there as well. Yep, coming under there. And this at the edge of the flooring here. But most interesting thing is over here. Yes, there's a huge draft coming in here. Yeah, you can feel it there now. What's this? Ah, right, okay. So possibly where some of the waste, the water pipes for that go out through the floor, there'll be a sort of 1 inch pipe and a 4 inch hole or something like that. So, right, look at that there.
Jeez.
So, we're struggling to get the pressure. So what we'll do is we'll measure.
Straight into the wall.
That's nothing there. Right, so it's coming out here as well. Possibly though that's just the same air. You know, it's just the same air that's coming round. Right, okay, look under here. Now we've got a 4 gas hob, but quite a big space, so no problem with that. Right, because there's masses coming in here as well. So possibly that's where the gas pipes go through the floor. So that would definitely be worth. Well, we'll wait and see what we do is we'll work out what the air leakage of the house is at the minute, then we'll work out what your level of ventilation that you need for your health and for the fabric of the house, and then the difference between those two is your potential saving. And if we might identify 10 areas where there's air coming in, 8 of them are fine, and we'll try and pick out the 2 worst for you to fix just to bring it down. So you've still got plenty of ventilation, but you've not got so many drafts. Because yeah, this is certainly quite leaky here. See, relatively speaking, there's nothing coming in there. Yes, what's that? Yeah, so just under there and under the sink. Okay. So that's fine in the cupboard. It's fine in that cupboard.
That's because it's forced. That'll be electric cables then. Coming out there. No, it's just an open void that goes right away under, probably to where your pipes go through the floor.
You might just get the ladder and check that, but you can actually, no, it's okay. You can actually you can see things blowing about up there.
Cobwebs.
Yeah. So you can actually see. So what will be happening is the warm air will be rising, escaping through there, and it will be drawing in cold air, which is fine for keeping circulation. But maybe if you could slow that down a little bit, it would help. Again, so there's a little bit of air coming in here, but because that's an old chimney, it may well be a vent still in there. So
I'm going to be taking this off when my son comes over at the weekend. I'm going to be taking that off because the guys that fitted that fireplace didn't put good enough brackets on it to support it. So when the fan's on, it rattles a bit.
Right.
So I could put.
Well, I would check whether there's still a chimney, in case that's needed for avoiding damp in the chimney. So, yeah.
So I shouldn't block that up then completely?
If there is no chimney and that's a closed off space, then that's fine, you could block that up. Right. But if there's still a chimney and you need that air going up to prevent damp, then I would just leave it. Because there's not a huge, you can see the volume here. Well, there is some coming in there, but when you compare it to what's coming in other places, it might be safer to seal up those 2 areas if that's what we decide and just leave that.
There's no seal at the back here.
Right. Okay, so the windows look quite good. Okay, so a little bit of the cords, but that's pretty typical. That's all fine there. Just going to have a look through here. Just carrying on in here. There's a little bit of air coming in the windowsill. coming in under the skirting there, and from just where the pipes go through the floor at the back of the bath there, we've got the vent taped up in here. Just have to watch out for condensation if you do tape up any of those areas.